This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart on its first trading session of the week. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. Let's start here by looking at the Nasdaq100 on this very big trading week. Of course, on Tuesday we have the CPI reading and core CPI inflation data coming out. That I am actually expecting to come in a lot lower than expected, and the reason being, you just simply have to go and look at the crude oil market. Look at this, a huge breakdown. We're currently trading at the yearly lows here, and at one point earlier on this morning we were briefly trading below $70 a barrel. So that of course is definitely going to help the inflation picture, along with many other stuff that has come down significantly over the past quarter. So that's on Tuesday, of course, and then on Wednesday the slightly bigger news event is the FOMC interest rate hike, which is going to likely be 0.5 basis points. It was expected before that it could potentially be 0.75 basis point, but that's highly unlikely now, and that's especially if we get that CPI reading coming a lot lower than expected the day before. I feel like 0.5 will be baked in, but I am expecting a short-term rally here as we go into that FOMC meeting. But then once we get to the FOMC meeting, I think that's when problems could potentially occur. I feel like the Fed, Jerome Powell, could potentially throw a very cold glass of water over investors' faces. It's important to understand, guys, that the Fed, although they won't come out and clearly say that they don't want stocks to be higher, that would be wrong for them to do that and unethical. But in theory, that's what they want. They don't want stocks to be super high, because stocks being high means people have money, and people that have money is inflationary. So in a current stock environment like this, you want to be very cautious around Fed meetings. So I feel like we could have a short 2-day pop here as we go into that CPI print, but ultimately we reverse course and trade lower.